Chicken curry flavored noodles is the recipe for today. My name is Peter_M_I. Welcome to my platform, and it goes without saying that noodles is a well-known dish and known all over around the world, and there are different variations of how to cook noodles. Well, this is mine, and I want to welcome you to my platform. Do remember to like, subscribe, and also click on the notification bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. Try out a recipe whenever I do it, and also engage on the comment section. Let me know what you think, how you see the videos, and I'll make sure that I also reply to your comments. Noodles might be one of the fastest dishes that anyone can prepare, and in order to do that, I always find it best for me to prepare the requirements and ingredients ahead of time. So as you can see from my video, I am preparing and arranging everything on standby so that when I start cooking, it goes smoothly. Every packet of noodles comes with a sachet of both spices and also a dressing for the noodles. So I always make sure that I portion it out separately, both of them. In my recipe, I like using red onions and also spring onions, and I'm also going to use capsicum and soy sauce. I'm going to kickstart by adding some cooking oil, some previously prepared onions, chopped and finely chopped, and capsicum. Also the dressing that came with the noodles packets, I've added it into the dish. I'm going to give that a good mix, after which I'm going to add some water to help it cook. Give it some time to come to boil, and then add in some soy sauce. For these noodles, since the soy sauce and the dressing coming from the noodles contains some salt, you'll notice that I'm not adding any salt to it or any additional spices. I just want it to cook on its own flavors. After which I'm going to add these noodles, and since they are dried, I'm going to cover this for a couple of minutes, for about 2 or 3 minutes, for it to soften up inside using the steam from the liquid that you're seeing, the liquid mixture. So as it steams off, it softens up, and this is what happens. You see now it's becoming easier to mix the noodles together. You'll notice that some noodles may be not finely cooked yet, but they'll finish off as I add my spring onions. At this point, this is where I lower my heat and let it cook in some low moderate heat. I also decided to add some cooking oil to the dish and give it a good mix, after which I'm going to simmer it with very low heat and give it time to cook. After about 5 minutes, or 2 or 3 minutes, in fact, after about 2 and 3 minutes, after about 2 to 3 minutes, the noodles will have softened up, and you're going to serve this in a plate. In my case, I'm going to have this with some creamy coconut chicken, and it goes very well as a good combination to the two. So do enjoy your meal. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also hit the notification bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.